2, 1.
Hi, this is Susan Brown. I made the first video in this series showing you how to mix two kinds of gray. These are just examples of different kinds of gray that you can make. In fact, you can make the other 48 on your own. Today, we're going to mix gray with cobalt blue and French ultramarine blue, just to show you the effects of gray and then white. These are very simple tinting and mixing qualities. So first, this is French ultramarine. I'm going to use, again, a palette knife. You can use a brush, but I like the palette knife. I'm using a paper palette. These are some grays I mixed, two grays I mixed yesterday. This one, I'll show what happens here. And again, it does depend on the amount that you use and what kind of color you want for your painting. Say I use a little bit more. And yes, gray does dull it down, but it makes an interesting color. All right, now I'm going to wipe off my palette knife and put a little bit of white. I use white sparingly, so I don't know how light I want my color, and I can always add more. This could be a very pretty color for a sky, at least. But as you see, it has a bit of a grayish quality. It could be maybe a bit of a stormy sky. So that's one. Wipe it off again. And now I'm going to take, that was French ultramarine blue. Now I'm taking cobalt, and you'll see quite a different look. There's my cobalt. I take some gray and mix that with the cobalt a little more. Smooth that out. It's a deeper blue. I'm going to again wipe off my palette knife, take some white. And look at the difference between these two. This almost looks pastel. Wipe it off again. And just now take my French ultramarine blue, wipe off my knife, just use white. Yeah, French ultramarine is quite an opaque and very strong color. And there you can see the difference between just using white. Again, I wipe it off. Yeah, take my cobalt. Wipe off my knife, take some white. There's the cobalt with just the white. Very different again. You can see that the French ultramarine has almost a purpley shade. Mauve. And there we have it.